Brock Lesnar has made his thoughts about this matchup pretty clear. When it comes to this business, size matters. Ladies and gentlemen, it's hard to deny that Lesnar has the obvious size advantage over CM Punk.
Yeah, but they don't get more stubborn than CM Punk, Michael. And Punk has never listened to anyone who tells him he can't do something, including Lesnar. So Lesnar might be a beast, but there's a reason Punk calls himself the best.
Two superstars who refuse to back down, refuse to let others define them. This should be quite the match.
All tied up now.
Finds a way to get into a wrist lock of their own.
That was some heavy pressure applied to the arm. Hard to grab or apply a proper hold after a move like that. Oh, man.
Laser focused on the arm there. Deep arm drag. CM Punk is in a distressing spot.
Lesnar is treating Punk like a kid on a playground, just manhandling him.
Driver spiked him. There's a certain amount of anger you have to have towards your opponent to pile drive them like that.
Check out the springboard. Oh, they taught an offense there. And it's effective.
Vicious, aggressive attacks.
You can't get caught in a hailstorm like that if you want to win.
Look out! High angle German.
And with his innate ability.
And now he's looking to lock in this submission.
Oh, the heel hooks in. It's in deep, the leg.
Fighting out of it. Successfully does. Couple effective shots.
Oh, what an axe handle.
He's got him down. This could be it.
Elevates his shoulder ahead of the count.
Getting that shoulder up seemed to be pretty easy.
Got him where he wants him.
Up and
Falconero suplex.
Counter. He knew just what to do. What a boot.
Grabbing them by the neck.
And then a suplex.
it might not be flashy, but sometimes you just got to toss another person and make a statement.
Great display of strength with the suplex. Belly-to-belly suplex.
He has to be nearly at his breaking point now.
Yeah, he's absolutely in danger of losing it all here. Denied with an elbow. High-level ability being shown with each of these counters. The battle of counters. No one's getting their full offense in.
The Beast Incarnate is on the loose.
And by the looks of things, Lesnar's thinking about putting this one away sooner rather than later. That focus has been turned all the way up now.
Under control and a suplex.
A warning and a challenge from Lesnar.
Countering that offense.
Punk showing how much punishment he can withstand before getting...
Still hanging on. Still in this thing. Now heading outside.
Clothesline. Momentum is running away from Punk.
Lesnar's looking very determined.
Setting up for something here.
Oh, watch this, fellas.
Oh! Gets lifted into position. Oh! With authority! Working on their arm.
And countered with a nut.
CM Punk with a jarring Uranagi. Look at this.
Trapping him in the submission, not looking to win, just looking to cause him as much harm as possible. Oh, a couple of knees there. That'll get him out of it. Getting carried to a vulnerable
needs to reformulate a strategy.
Taking things to the outside, but got to make sure to heed the officials' count. Carrying the opposition. What's the thought here?
That's it.
Being carried around now. Oh, look at this.
Oh, my gosh, on the apron.
Things now not going well for CM Punk.
Yeah, Lesnar is proving hard to keep up with.
And that toss sent them soaring. Sent crashing into our desk.
Yeah, we might want to think about moving out of here.
Oh, my gosh. We might need to consider relocating soon.
Yeah, this fight's getting closer and closer to our table. Lesnar.
Lifted to a suplex.
He's able to combat out of Brock's grip. Float over neckbreaker.
Picture perfect.
Up with his opponent in position.
Gonna sleep. That could be curtains for Brock. For the win.
2. Wow, just barely making it out.
The Beast Incarnate. He is not a man who stays down easily.
No, it's not exactly a walk in the park trying to put Lesnar down for good.
And Punk might have just swung for the fences, but it wasn't good enough. Has to find a way out of this.
Adrenaline is pumping, and the WWE Universe is on his side.
Brock Lesnar looking for the submission.
Oh, come on. Good luck getting out of this. I guess that's one way to do it.
Punk and Lesnar have been unleashing everything they have on each other. And somehow, some way, they're both still competing. Both still fighting. The cover for the win.
No, he gets the shoulder up.
A long 2.5 in the waning moments of this match.
He gets out of the way.
And they're going shot for shot, blow for blow.
Just teeing off with that fight forever vibe.
Big shots being fired right now. Neither competitor letting up.
Who will break first? That is the question. Two fighters putting their haymakers on autopilot right now.
Both absolutely drained, but both refusing to give up.
Pulled back in, belly-to-belly suplex.
Oh my goodness. The Brock lock is applied. This is agonizing.
This is grueling. Look at the torque happening here.
It's like living in a torture chamber. This can't last much longer.
The stretch muffler's in. Couple of kicks will break it.
CM Punk with a jarring Uranagi. Look at this. I never thought we'd see the day that...
A couple of knees there. That'll get him out of it. What a punch. What a display of strength here.
Lesnar's got this closed up.